Okay, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show how to use two of my latest online softwares, kind of. They're web pages. One is called Wrap Paragraphs, and one is called Unwrap Paragraphs. As you see there on the screen, I'm going to show you how to get there. You go to slipthetrap.com, of course. But first, we're going to look at my little notes to myself. I'm calling it text wrangling because it's really you're moving text between different places and somehow it gets changed because no two places seem to agree on what exactly to do with text. So that's what this is about. We're gonna, as a demo, we're gonna go to Claude in an old conversation, and that's some of that text copied directly from Claude using an AI chat button called copy. They all have a copy button, but you just get that one little part. So now we're going back to the web page and we're going to go find this little web pages that can wrap and unwrap paragraphs. There's the first one. I've already got them clicked, I think. But you would click there and that one would open, or you'd click there and that one would open. So let's see what happens next here. I think I go to Claude. I should be going to Claude. There's wrap and there's unwrap. So we pretend we had gone to Claude, and that's how it spits back. Sometimes that's Claude AI, but it can be Chat GPT too. And a lot of times they're both filled with what they call markdown, which is bolding and italics and all this stuff you kind of don't want, especially if you're writing. So I copy it into wrap paragraphs because I want it in a way that I can read it. And you can see right away it wraps it like 70 characters, I think it is. Then you can click copy. And then just as an example, I'll come back to some editor. It could be any editor. And that's what we got. Hopefully I don't paste it again. I guess I will be. And so that's not what we wanted to do. So I think I will undo that. Yes, and put it back the way it was, which is how it comes down if you just copy it directly using their copy button, the AI. Now I'm going to paste in what I got back from wrap paragraph. So you can see right away that, at least in this editor, it's very readable because it's wrapped at character position 70. So you see, little appropriate paragraphs. Now we're going to test that in Vellum, which is publishing software for books. So when we go there, you can see, even though it's a little fuzzy over there on the print page, you can see there's too many paragraph markers, and that's what's making it look strange. So we're going to fix that. And to do that, we go to, I just showed that it doesn't work in Vellum. Okay. We're going to go to unwrap paragraphs, hopefully. Here we go. We're going to take what we had above, which is not appropriate for Vellum, and we're going to go to unwrap paragraphs. I'm going to paste that in, which is nice for reading, but it's not nice for Vellum. Or in some cases, you might want to be copying this to so you can do an audio file of an audio book, and you would want this particular way of looking at it, where it looks a lot like number two, but not exactly, but very close. But that still is not good enough for Vellum. If we go over there, we paste it into Vellum. It's less of a mess, as you can see there on the right-hand side, but it's still got extra paragraph thingies, which if you want those, then you're good to go. But usually it doesn't look like that as I'm showing there. When I removed them, that's what a book in Vellum typically looks like, whether it's EPUB or ebook or whether it's PDF. So now we're going to go back to wrap paragraphs, which has another extra button called Vellum down there. So you would have already unwrapped, and now you click vellum, and you can see that it changed. So let's go put that into vellum. Here we go. And you can paste that right in, and look at that. Perfection. I mean, it's still a little fuzzy there, but it's the way it's supposed to be. At the end of a paragraph, there's one paragraph, not two, unless that's how you do it. But I've been looking for this for quite a while, so I just wrote it myself. You get tired of doing tedious edits that aren't don't have anything to do with writing, really, and very little to do with writing. It's just a mechanical thing. So this automates that to some extent. In my video to come, which I think I got time here to say, I will show you how to grab an entire AI chat. But with that, I will say peace.